we apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. We use a plastic card to cut the adhesive. We remove the back cover. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. We disconnect the main camera of the device. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Now we return with the assembly process. The device is working.